how to find your Epic Games game files. So what we want to do is open up our computer, search for Epic Games Launcher, and this is really important here. After we find the Epic Games Launcher, we want to right click on it and we want to run it as administrator. Now if you don't run it as administrator, you might not actually see this option. So after we have loaded up the Epic Games Launcher here, I'm just going to go to library and we want to find the game that we want to locate the game files for. So this game is already installed, so I'm just going to do it. And what we want to do if we want to find the game files is click on the three dots underneath the icon and select manage. After you have clicked on manage here, you will see installation, and we want to click on this folder icon, open install location. Moving or deleting this folder may require you to reinstall your game. So after we click on it, and it's gonna look like this, you will find all of your game files for the specific game that we've just selected right here. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.